are you? I hope you're fine wherever you are. Welcome again to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lucia. Karibu sana. Welcome to today's vlog. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to comment. Don't forget, alright? So today is another beautiful day. Today is a sunny day. I don't know if it will rain, but it looks like it will, and we thank God for today. So today I have a very big steak, a very big meat, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces and then pack inside my fridge. Have you ever seen my fridge? My fridge is empty. Alvin Tucker. Oh no. My fridge is empty, but today I will fill it with meat. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the meat. It's a beef meat. Beef meat. So I'm having my two knives. I want to sharpen them so that they can be a little bit sharp, like this way. Yeah. This is how I do it. Today I'm gonna pack my fridge with a lot of meat. I have a lot of it. We bought it from a Maasai people. As you know, they have a lot of cows, so we decided to buy it. This big, this huge. It's very huge. Let me show you. Very, very huge. Let me put you here so that you can see what I'm doing here. Yes. So that we can wipe everything. It is with a sack, this sack right here, and I'm going to cut it. I have a lot of work to do, guys. I'm going to cut this into small pieces, pack inside these peppers, and then put in my freezer. My freezer will be full of meat. Let me wipe this area and then show you how big it is. It's very big. So now I'm here with my chopping board. So this is the first one, and today our dogs will have a very big meat. Yeah, we have so big, very big bones. So I'm going to start with this one. We have another one, another bigger one. Let me just remove it so that you can see. Yeah, it's very big. I don't know if we will finish. We will never finish.
This is one packet.
Hey, how many kgs is this one, guys? Hey. A lot of kgs, huh? Look at how soft. It's very fresh, yeah? Very fresh. So now, this is the other one, as I have told you that. But I'm going to start with the small one so that we can move very, very fast. Okay? So I'm going to finish up with cutting here and then pack with you guys today. Pack with you. I'm going to pack with you guys, yeah? So let me chop very, very fast. I'm not going to cut small pieces. Today we're gonna have a fry. No water today.
A big one.
We're gonna have fry. Yeah? No water, no soup, no stew today, you.
No buying meat.
No buying meat for the next 1 month.
Mom.
Yes, Abby. Yeah?
Yeah, Mom.
And my Kushoto is not working. Why not? Hey. No buying meat for the next, guys, look at this one. For the next 1 month, we are not going to buy meat. I'm going to fry today. going to remove the starch. I'm not going to cut the bones because we have dogs here and they must enjoy. They must enjoy. I feel like frying lunchtime. Olivia, you want it fried? No water today. No soup. Tumalize ndio tuwapatie.
Nakula chips. Mom. Mommy. Nakula chips. Yes. Mama choma.
Ama should I boil it? How do you guys preserve your meat in your freezers? Should I boil it first and then pack it? But you have to see here. Or should I pack it like this way? You know me, I do just pack it like this and then I boil later. Yeah? That's what I do. So So guys, I am done cutting my meat. That's all. So it's steak, no bone at all. So the other bones I've given my dogs to eat. It has taken me like 2 hours to cut them, and what? So tired, and right now there is no electricity. It has lost. So I think I need to wait for now. Let me rest for like a few minutes and then I'll see what to do next. Okay. So guys, we now have electricity. Right now it's 3 p.m. So I'm going to pack my meat right here and then I'm going to take you to my freezer so that we can put it there. I think it will take us like a month or something. Yeah, it will take us like a month because it's a lot. Can you see? It's a lot. It's a lot. A lot of meat. This is how it is. So I have packed 5 packets of meats. I think it's like a kilo. Also, maybe a kilo of steak, like that way. And this one, I'm going to boil this. This is what we are going to have today. Okay, so now let me take you to the freezer. It's not on. I haven't put it on because of what? Because it's empty, as I told you that. So first I think I'll put it on like this way, and then this is my freezer. I want it to be, yes, it's on now. Can you feel it? Can you hear it? Can you hear the fan? Yeah, it's on now. So I'm going to just put them here, and then we're gonna have we're gonna save that for some other day. Okay, so let me take them. Now my meat is in my freezer. I think now I can go and boil the rest, the other one, because it's almost 4 p.m. so that I can start preparing my supper, because now there is nothing else I can do now. It's just preparing supper. Okay.